Guys, with a strong economy, excellent healthcare, and an immigration system that is very migrant friendly, no ash policies, then I think Ireland is the next big countries that migrants will be looking to relocate to from 2024. So you don't want to miss out on this. The greatest mistake an immigrant can make is procrastinating on their travel plans. I mean, we saw that with UK, we're seeing that with Canada, Australia, and the top countries. So those that were able to take advantage, they're the ones smiling now. So if you're willing to relocate abroad, then you might need to consider Ireland. On today's episode of Yettysplash, I'm going to be sharing with you recruitment companies that can help you to land job, get job in Ireland, and ultimately relocate to Ireland, even if you're an immigrant. And the beautiful thing about using recruitment agency, for example, where I currently work in the UK, I use a recruitment agency to, land the role. So you don't even have to pay them. You don't pay them. It's your employer that then, if they successfully recruit you, will pay them. So it's absolutely free. All you just have to do is take action, send them your CV, and see if that you're a good fit for them. So today's video, I'll be sharing with you recruitment agencies, over 30 recruitment agencies, guys, that can help you relocate or even secure a job if you want to work in Ireland. So don't go anywhere. It is important to mention there are two major kinds of work permits in Ireland. We have the Critical Skill Employment Permit (CSEP) as well as the General Employment Permit (GEP). So the difference between the two is that for this Critical Skill Employment Permit, it allows migrants to come to Ireland, highly skilled migrants to come to Ireland to come and work, okay? And they're coming to work in a shortage sector, maybe in the IT, in the healthcare sector, in the engineering sector, but they are getting that job in what we know as shortage occupation list. So their skill is quite in demand, and then there is shortage of employment or shortage of labor in that sector, okay? And the beautiful thing about the Critical Skill Employment Permit is that you do not require sponsorship. All you have to do is to get a job offer. There's a minimum salary threshold that you have to be earning, and then once you have a job offer with that salary threshold, you can sponsor yourself on this visa. While on the General Employment Permit, the General Employment Permits allow migrants to come to work in Ireland, but they have to secure not just a job offer, visa sponsorship as well from a company that is willing to sponsor them to come and work in Ireland. And the job sector covers areas that are not covered under the Critical Skill Employment Permit. So whether your job is in demand or your job is not in demand, you can come to Ireland to work as long as you have a job offer. If your job is not in demand, then you'll be needing the General Employment Permit, meaning your company has to sponsor you. But if your job falls under the categories of jobs that are in demand in Ireland, you do not need sponsorship, you just need a job offer, and you can sponsor yourself. I've made an extensive video on the Critical Skill Employment Permit. I'm going to leave the link in the description box. You can go back to watch that if you want to understand better. But on today's video, guys, I'm going to be sharing with you 30 recruitment agencies that can help you get a job in Ireland in various sectors, guys. I'm going to be telling you the sectors in which you can find this recruitment agency, or the kind of sectors in which these recruitment agencies specializes in. So you don't want to miss it. Don't go anywhere. If you're seeing my face for the first time, guys, my name is Yeti, and on this channel I share information about traveling abroad, relocating abroad. You will definitely find useful content on this page, so please do well to like, share, subscribe. To all my returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. Let's keep growing together. And if you're just watching my video for the first time, please ensure that you subscribe, join the community, join the family, okay? So today's video is an interesting one. I've done a lot of research, and it was quite an extensive one because I also your comments on my previous post that I made about Ireland. You all want to know how to get to Ireland, so I'm here to give you 30 recruitment agencies that can help you to move to Ireland. All you have to do is just send them your CV if it is a sector that aligns with what you're looking for, and then they will be able to assist you and let you know if you qualify, if you don't qualify, what you need to do. So stay tuned, guys. So guys, before I continue with the video, I need to quickly tell you about AMBA students. If you're a student in the United Kingdom, or you're a student in Australia and you've been finding it difficult to secure accommodation, or you are a prospective student, meaning you're coming to study in the UK or you're coming to study in Australia, then I've got good news for you. You do not have to stress about accommodation anymore, because AMBA Students is there for you. Yes, AMBA Students is an accommodation platform for students across, major cities in the UK and as well as Australia. So if you're coming to study in the UK, then you don't have to bother about your accommodation. They are very quick, processing and booking of your accommodation is quite easy. So you are going to save yourself the stress of coming into the UK and the UK landlord are asking you for ridiculous documents like, oh, where's your pay slip, even when they know that you just relocated to the country, or where is this, where is that, bring a guarantor, you know, all those ridiculous questions. You do not have to go through that hassle and stress anymore if you're booking with Amber Students. So I'm going to put their link in the description box. You just have to click the link and sign up with them, okay? And it's not just because their services are easy, it's because their fee is also quite affordable when compared to other prices, and the fact that you don't even have to have your visa before you book it. So as long as you have an offer that you're coming to the UK or Australia to study, you can then get in touch with Amber Student and book your desired accommodation home. And guys, they have classy, beautiful accommodation that every student would definitely want to live in. Like, their accommodation hostels are top notch, like world-class standard. So what are you waiting for? Get in touch with the Amber Student team using the link in my bio, and they will help you. And another amazing thing about Amber Students is the 24 hours personalized service, meaning if you're stuck at any point in time, you can always reach a customer care representative. Like, as I'm talking to you now, I'm filming this video at night. If I really need help from Amber Student, I will definitely get instant support at any time. So their customer service is available 24/7. Okay, let's get back into the video. Guys, the first on my list is Recruiter.ie. They're a famous local recruitment agency established in 2006 based in Dublin, Ireland, and they provide temporary or permanent contract placement solutions and specializes in HR, IT, technology, marketing, sales, project management, and provides general business solutions. So if you're looking for a job in this area, then you can definitely contact Recruitment.ie. Okay, guys, the next on my list is Reed Solution, and they provide temporary or permanent recruitment services. They're an internationally recognized recruitment agency based in Dublin. Okay, so and their area of specialty includes business and leisure, hospitality, marketing, technology, legal. So if this area interests you, and even finance and business as well, if this area interests you, then you might want to get in touch with them. Number 3, guys, that has to be Osborne. Osborne has over 20 years of experience in the recruitment industry, and they provide both temporary and permanent recruitment services, okay? And their area of specialty include IT, business, and even customer service, and so on and so forth. So you might actually need to check their website out. Number 4, Sigma Recruitment, guys. They have over 5 branches in different cities in Ireland, guys, and they've also been providing excellent recruitment services, and their area of specialty include, you know, HR, legal, IT, accounting and finance, and even supply chain, and a host of other services. So if you're interested, then you need to check them out as well. Number 5, Maria Logan, and they specialize in hospitality, catering, hotel placement, staffing, and they've been around for a while as well, located in Dublin. So if you're interested, you can reach out to them. Number 6, guys, Action Recruitment. They have over 45 years of experience in the recruitment industry, and they cater for the hospitality sector. So if you're interested, if the hospitality sector is something that you would love to do, then you have to reach out to them. 7, guys, is Real-Time Recruitment, and they specialize mainly in recruiting people interested in the IT sector. So if you want to do web developer, project management, backenders, UI UX, you know, IT sector generally, then you have to reach out to them. 8, FRS Recruitment is also another recruitment agency that you want to look up, guys. They provide various, you know, services, recruitment services across various sectors, from hospitality to healthcare, guys, medical and healthcare, to IT, you know, to business, to accounting, to finance. They provide all these services, so you have to check them out. Number 9, guys, Allen Rec Consultants, and they've been around since 1998, and they're like very specialized when it comes to IT, finance, and pharma. That's what we're talking about, pharmaceutical and things like that. So if these 3 sectors interest you, then you need to reach out to them. Number 10, guys, that is Approach People Recruitment. This is an international recruitment agency, not just for Ireland. They have branches in France, Spain, and what have you not. And they've helped over 700,000 people, you know, according to their website, get their dream job. So if you're looking for opportunity to relocate to Ireland, then you need to reach out to them as well. 11, guys, Agri Recruit. So if you need anything in the agricultural industry, then you need to reach out to them. 12, Shannon Recruitment. They are also a foremost recruitment company in Ireland. So if you're looking for a job opportunity, then you have to reach out to them. 13 is definitely Engage Education. They employ people in the educational sector. So if you want to relocate, maybe you're a teacher and whatnot, then you have to engage these guys. Guys, 14 is Kate Calc Ig International. They deal majorly with, healthcare recruitment. So if you want to work in the healthcare industry, then you have to reach out to them. Another good recruiter to contact is Workaway Recruitment Agency. So if you're looking to relocate to Ireland, regardless of whatever sector you're interested in, then you have to reach out to them. Going forward, guys, I will just be telling you their names. Then I want you to really go out to look them up. I just don't want to tell you their sector and then you don't take the liberty to go, and because you have to take action. I'm telling you this, but you really have to take action if you want things to happen for you, if you really want to relocate. So moving on, I'm just going to be listing these recruitment agencies for you. Then you have to go and Google them to know the sectors they deal with. Some of them deal with various sectors and some deals with alt sector as well. So you just have to Google them up. Have ISM Recruitment, Clark, Real Time Recruitment. We have Archer Recruitment, World Personnel, Access Healthcare, Sonas Recruitment, The People Group, Robert Walters, Life Science Recruitment, Clarity Recruitment, 3Q PAM, and TEM. Especially if you're interested in the healthcare industry, 3Q, you have to really check them out. First Staff Recruitment, We Hire, M Recruitment, and finally, guys, Prosperity IE. If you stay to the end, then wow, well done. So these are over 20, I'm sure it's up to 30 recruitment agencies that can help you move to Ireland if you're ready to take actions. Please, if you watch this video to the end, ensure you subscribe, because in my next video I'm going to be sharing with you my top 50 companies hiring in Ireland with visa sponsorship. You don't even want to miss out at all. Like, guys, you actually don't want to miss out. Thank you so much for sticking with me till the end. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section and I'll try to answer as many questions as possible. Please subscribe. I mean, that's the only way I get motivated. Like, I'm begging you that just want this video to subscribe, okay, so that you can see amazing content like this. And when you subscribe, turn on your post notification so that whenever I post amazing content like this, you get to see it first. Till I come your way next time, I'm still your one and only baby girl Yeti. Stay blessed. Bye, guys.